I'm staring at my daughter's sneakers held together by duct tape. Sarah's leaning against a brand new lifted Ford Raptor. My ex hands me a $3,000 invoice for a transmission. Dave needs the truck fixed for his brand, she says. The mud from his weekend trip is still wet. I look down at my kids' flapping soles again. This child support is paying for his hobbies, not her. It's an emergency family expense, she snapped. My 7-year-old is hiding behind my legs, shivering. Sarah just adjusts her designer sunglasses and checks her phone. She's terrified Dave will leave if the money stops flowing. I follow them inside to grab the weekend bag. I open the fridge just hoping for a juice box. Nothing inside but a 12-pack of Kraft, IPA, and mustard. My daughter whispered that she wasn't allowed to snack. Mom says we have to save for the truck, she said. I felt my chest tighten like a physical vice. Reaching for a water glass, my hand just gave out. It shattered on their custom marble floor like a gunshot. No words left, I just grabbed my kid and walked. We were at my lawyer's office within the hour. He stared at the photos of those duct-taped shoes. Then I showed him Sarah's posts about her luxury life. The judge didn't even let her finish her statement. He looked at those gray, flapping sneakers and turned red. I walked out with my girl and her suitcase. First stop was the mall for real hiking boots. She held the new boxes like they were made of gold. Then she started sobbing into her chicken nuggets at dinner. She asked if I'd get in debt for buying them. I just held her in that food court and cried. Seeing kids pay the price for adult choices like that, it really gets to you. If you've ever watched child support get spent on the new partner's lifestyle while your own kid goes without, share what happened to you in the comments. I read every single one.